Good morning guys, good morning. Welcome to another day on planet Earth. We're still in Paris, Disneyland Paris. We're heading back to the UK. We're going to go via Zeebrugge, get on the boat there, through to Hull, then drive from Hull, which is only about an hour, which is pretty good. And the kids at school tomorrow. They might be running late about 30 minutes, but I think we dock at 7 AM, so if we do, then we'll get there on time, no problem. But I need a cup of tea. I'm so tired, And the builders are out at work. I'm tired today.
Well guys, we're in the car on our way to Ferry. It's quite a long drive because we've come a long way around to avoid the tolls, because I think £26 each way is quite steep here.
Yeah, 50 quid.
Yeah, just to save half an hour or whatever it is. So yeah, we've come to scenic route.
Quite a nice drive though, to be honest. It's a nice drive.
We thought it were an hour and a half, but it didn't work out. It was less than that, except
it's about 45 minutes extra to drive round the tolls.
yeah, so it's not too bad really.
It's fine.
So guys, we've just come to KFC. We're about an hour away from the boat. Just gonna get some dinner. Kids are playing in the play area. I don't think you're meant to play on outside of it, Rena. I'm gonna go outside, Saf. Go on, I'll watch you. It took that long to get to the slide. On her belly. So his food finally arrived. I got some kids meals. Mike got
Got 2 chicken strips.
2 chicken strips. And you get one of these cups with kids meals.
Oh yeah, we've seen the movie.
Yeah, what is it? What movie?
It's in French, but it's actually
What is it in English?
Wonder Park.
Oh, Wonder Park, yeah. Well guys, we managed to get on the boat just in time. We're now in our cabin.
It wasn't really just in time, but that wasn't the problem, was it?
Oh, we nearly run out of fuel
The
again.
problem was we had about 4 miles in the tank.
And Mike went wrong way.
And if we run out of fuel getting off the boat, I'll push it to the petrol station Hull.
We'll be right. We're here now. Anyway, girls are doing their own work up there.
Sophie, you're doing it wrong.
Tired now.
It's not just it.
We're going to get out and have a little walk around the boat. My hay fever is absolutely terrible today.
Mine is as well, really bad.
It's awful. Can't wait to go somewhere warm so it goes away.
Shower.
Yeah, not too big.
Yeah.
Not too big. Oh my god.
Mike's enjoying his snack. He's just contemplating how many calories is in that.
In the full jar,
Yeah.
how many calories do you think there is?
600.
How many do you think there are in it?
800.
More. 1,000.
In a full jar of Nutella of 220 gram,
It's only a mini jar, isn't it?
Oh,
1,200 calories.
Ooh, that's quite a lot, isn't it?
tea.
That's your day's allowance then gone. Was it worth
I
it?
ain't that.
Yeah, whatever.
Tea.
I don't even like it.
Sam's had some around the mouth. You don't like it? You look like you like it.
Alright.
It's
I can
nice.
take it or leave it, Nutella. I've got
Alright.
no allergy, you see.
I would have ate it.
Dale's got Nutella, James.
No, we're not using it as a fish bowl.
I can wash it out and get a little fish in it.
Yeah.
No. You forgot what you were saying now.
No. If I had to go to Asda, well, whatever that big shop is called next to our house, Aldi.
It's our house.
Guess
What?
Guess what? my snack would be that I could just eat straight out with a spoon.
Nutella.
Yeah, because I've got £15 left. I'm going to buy a Polly Pocket, the big one, the movie.
Then you've got naught
theatre.
left because they're £15.
I'll get 16.
Why just buy a case of Nutella?
Yeah, just buy loads of
I'm
Nutella
going to buy a case of Nutella, and also I'm going to buy a gymnastics bar.
for £15.
Yeah.
Good luck with that. Yes, we're well on our way now. We've just had us picnic, and I know what you're thinking. Yeah, we had just had a KFC. Yep, we had a picnic as well.
I guess what I'm doing, Mummy.
Gymnastics.
I am getting everything into that corner so I can just do split.
You're moving all the toys out of the way.
Yeah, so I can just do split. Safi, do you mind me moving that over there so you can still play with it over there? No.
No.
Yeah.
Mike's tired. Alright, Mikey.
I'm tired.
We're going to bed soon. So this is the kids' area. There's not much in it.
Not much in it. It's pretty, well, I'd say.
A bit rubbish. Sapphire. What are you doing? Playing with beads? Well, good morning, guys. Kiddos are ready for school. We got into bed about midnight, and then, as you can hear that baby crying next door, I started doing that at 4 this morning. So we haven't had much sleep. Girls are ready for school. Alright, Mike?
No.
You ready for work?
No, I'm not done my hair yet. Ow.
Time for work. Get up.
Oh no.
Okay. My phone said it was 9 o'clock and Mike said it was 6, so we reckon it's somewhere in between. But it's not stopped yet. I'm in a Mackie D's for breakfast.
Yeah.
Before school.
Yeah.
That's the pet hotel. That little container, so we've got a pet, that's where it goes. And you can visit it between 8 and 10 on a night only. It's bright. We've just got off the boat in Hull.
Feels good.
It's really bright. Goodbye, boat. Where's it gone? Oh, it's
See you again. Sometime.
We've just come to the McDonald's drive-through for his breakfast. What are you having, Safi? Pancakes? And Zoena's getting what's she getting? A bacon and cheese flatbread. What are you having, Michael?
I'm at a double sausage and McMuffin.
And I'm just getting a cookie and a tea.
Then for after we've got
Boost bar.
Yeah, they're gonna have lots of energy, aren't they, at school?
Boost bar. They should be at school now.
we're staying at McDonald's.
But
Traffic's really bad though.
We have to give our children breakfast for the morning.
Yeah. Well, guys, we're back from the drive from Hull. Kids eventually got to school at 10:30. Traffic was really bad, so they were an hour and a half late, but got there in the end. Just having a nice cup of tea in my Florida mug. Can't beat a cup of tea. And then about to start work. I'm just catching up on watching some vlogs while Mike's gone to get some bits for work. Just been watching a bit of Steve's vlogs. I've got loads of vlogs to catch up on. Anyway, I shall get some work done, and then it'll be time to pick the girls up. They'll probably be tired, because we didn't really get much sleep on the boat. Don't know if I told you, but there were a kid that were screaming all night in the next cabin. We had that on the way in and on the way out. I think we might pay the 60 quid and upgrade to the club room next time, because it is a lot nicer and you have a lot more room. But anyway, we're back now, back to normality. Our next holiday is in a couple of weeks, and that is back to Tenerife. Yeah, I like Tenerife. So yeah, I shall see you soon. The girls are back from school and it's tea time. They're having fish fingers with mushy peas, and I'm having vegetable fingers with mushy peas. And for dessert we have some yummy, yummy ice cream. So Michael has taken Zarina canoeing. She goes every Tuesday night after school. She really enjoys that. And Sapphire's just playing with the Lego. What are you making, Saf?
I'm trying to make a boat and a car.
A boat and a car? Ah. Is that your Lego or Serena's?
Serena.
She's not going to be happy, is she, about that?
No.
No. Oh, Barney's glad we're home. We missed us, Barney. We missed us. I'll take that as a no. Well, guys, thanks for watching. That's another trip over with. We'll see you soon, guys. And remember, take it easy.